Welcome to the People's Doctor, where we explore the fascinating science of nutrition and discover how to protect your precious vision naturally today. In our modern digital world, our eyes face constant attacks from glowing screens and harsh environmental factors that cause severe cellular damage. Harmful blue light penetrates deep into the retina, generating dangerous free radicals that slowly destroy healthy cells and degrade your overall sight. These unstable molecules steal electrons from your eye tissues, causing oxidative stress, which accelerates aging and leads to serious long-term problems. Fortunately, nature provides a powerful defense mechanism through specific nutrient-dense foods that can neutralize these threats and restore your visual health. Today, we will analyze the 10 best foods for your eyes and explain the precise biological processes that make them incredibly effective. Understanding the cellular impact of these dietary choices empowers you to build a proactive shield against macular degeneration and painful visual decline. Let us begin our scientific journey into the incredible world of ocular nutrition, starting with a widely recognized green leafy superfood powerhouse. Spinach is our first essential food, offering a massive concentration of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are crucial antioxidants for your delicate macula. These two powerful compounds act like internal sunglasses, filtering out harmful ultraviolet rays and damaging blue light before they reach your retina. By absorbing this dangerous radiation, spinach prevents the oxidation of retinal cells, significantly lowering your risk of developing age-related macular degeneration. The cellular matrix of your eye requires these specific pigments to maintain structural integrity and process incoming light signals with maximum efficiency. Regular consumption of this leafy green ensures a steady supply of protective molecules, reinforcing delicate tissues against daily environmental wear completely naturally. Furthermore, spinach contains vitamin A, which supports the cornea and helps maintain a clear, transparent surface for optimal light transmission every day. Scientists have mapped how these nutrients travel through the bloodstream directly to the ocular tissues, forming an impenetrable shield against cellular degradation. Adding a fresh portion of spinach to your daily meals creates a compounding protective effect that preserves your visual acuity over decades. Next, we examine carrots, which are globally famous for their incredibly high concentration of beta-carotene, a vital precursor to vitamin A. Once ingested, your liver converts this organic pigment into vitamin A, which then travels to your eyes to perform crucial biological functions. Inside the retina, vitamin A combines with a protein to form rhodopsin, which is the primary molecule responsible for your night vision. Without adequate rhodopsin, your eyes struggle to adapt to darkness, causing a dangerous condition known medically as nyctalopia, or simply night blindness. The beta-carotene found in carrots ensures that your photoreceptor cells constantly regenerate their light-sensitive pigments for optimal low-light performance. Furthermore, this powerful antioxidant helps reduce oxidative stress across the entire ocular system, preventing premature cellular death and maintaining overall tissue elasticity. Crunchy and sweet carrots provide a perfect daily snack that actively fortifies your eyes against the inevitable challenges of natural biological aging. By eating them regularly, you are essentially providing your retinas with the exact biochemical building blocks they need to function flawlessly forever. Our third protective food is the vibrant bell pepper, which contains an absolutely astonishing amount of pure, highly absorbable natural vitamin C. Vitamin C is a critical structural component for the delicate blood vessels that supply oxygen and vital nutrients to your entire eye. Inside the lens of your eye, this water-soluble vitamin acts as a primary defender against the slow formation of cloudy cataracts. Cataracts occur when lens proteins oxidize and clump together, but vitamin C neutralizes the specific free radicals that cause this structural damage. The fluid surrounding your lens normally contains high concentrations of this vitamin, acting as a constant chemical bath of pure antioxidant protection. Raw bell peppers deliver the maximum nutritional payload because heat from cooking can easily destroy the fragile molecular structure of vitamin C. Incorporating these bright, crunchy vegetables into your salads ensures that your optical lenses remain crystal clear and highly functional throughout your life. By maintaining strong capillaries in the eye bell, peppers also help prevent dangerous microhemorrhages that can suddenly impair your visual field. Moving to the fourth superfood we discover, blueberries, which are packed with potent antioxidant compounds scientifically known as powerful natural anthocyanins. These specific pigments give the berries their deep blue color, and possess an extraordinary ability to cross the restrictive blood-retina barrier. Once inside the ocular environment, anthocyanins work tirelessly to improve microvascular blood circulation, delivering more oxygen to exhausted eye muscles and nerves. This enhanced blood flow is absolutely crucial for washing away metabolic waste products that accumulate during long hours of digital screen viewing. Studies demonstrate that regular blueberry consumption can significantly reduce eye fatigue and improve your ability to focus clearly on rapidly moving objects. The anthocyanins also strengthen the tiny capillary walls, preventing fluid leakage that can lead to elevated internal eye pressure and glaucoma risks. Furthermore, these berries help accelerate the regeneration of rhodopsin, making them a perfect companion to carrots for maximizing your nighttime visual acuity. A simple daily handful of blueberries provides a profound biological upgrade to your entire visual system, keeping your eyes energized and youthful. Our fifth essential food is the humble almond, an absolute powerhouse of vitamin E, which is a highly effective fat-soluble antioxidant. Because the human retina contains a very high concentration of delicate fatty acids, it is extremely vulnerable to lipid oxidation and decay. Vitamin E from almonds targets these fatty structures, embedding itself directly into cell membranes to block destructive free radicals from causing harm. This protective barrier is absolutely critical for preventing macular degeneration, a devastating condition that slowly destroys your sharp central vision over years. Clinical research confirms that individuals who consume adequate vitamin E have a significantly lower risk of developing severe age-related blindness conditions. Almonds also provide healthy fats that actually help your body absorb other crucial fat-soluble eye nutrients like vitamin A much better. Snacking on just a small handful of almonds daily creates an invisible armor around your retinal cells, protecting them from daily stress. This simple dietary habit is a powerful proactive measure, ensuring that your cellular membranes remain strong, flexible, and resilient against oxidative attacks. Number 6 on our list is kale, a dark leafy green that shares many properties with spinach but possesses unique biological advantages. Kale is exceptionally rich in vitamin K, a nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining proper ocular blood vessel health daily. Vitamin K helps prevent the calcification of tiny arteries within the eye, ensuring that nourishing blood flows freely without any dangerous blockages. Furthermore, kale contains even higher concentrations of lutein than spinach, providing an incredibly dense layer of macular protection against harsh digital screens. These dense pigments physically absorb high-energy photons before they can strike the delicate photoreceptors, preventing cellular damage at the microscopic level. The matrix of antioxidants in kale also works synergistically to reduce chronic ocular inflammation, which is a major driver of visual decline. Massaging kale leaves with a little olive oil before eating dramatically increases the bioavailability of its precious fat-soluble protective eye nutrients. Adding this green superfood to your weekly diet is a masterstroke for preserving your vision and maintaining optimal optical clarity for life. Our seventh magnificent food is salmon, representing the absolute pinnacle of marine nutrition for your eyes due to its omega fatty acids. Salmon is rich in DHA, a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid that literally forms the structural architecture of your retina. Without sufficient DHA, retinal cells become stiff and inefficient, struggling to process light signals and communicate effectively with your brain visual cortex. Furthermore, these essential fats play a miraculous role in preventing dry eye syndrome, an irritating condition plaguing millions of modern computer users. Omega-3 fatty acids directly stimulate the meibomian glands in your eyelids to produce a thick, healthy oil layer for your tears. This vital oil prevents your tear film from evaporating too quickly, keeping your cornea perfectly lubricated, smooth, and comfortable throughout the day. Regular consumption of salmon drastically reduces systemic inflammation, which protects the delicate optic nerve from pressure damage and long-term structural degradation. Baking or grilling a piece of salmon twice a week provides your visual system with the ultimate structural support it desperately needs. Food number 8 is the sweet potato, a vibrant root vegetable that offers a magnificent dual-action defense system for your eyes. Like carrots. Sweet potatoes are overflowing with beta-carotene, but they also pack a massive secondary punch of immune-boosting vitamin C. This powerful combination creates a synergistic biological effect where the nutrients protect and enhance each other's absorption rates within the digestive tract. Once delivered to the eyes, this dynamic duo works together to shield the macula from oxidative stress while simultaneously reinforcing the cornea. Sweet potatoes are particularly effective at combating night blindness, ensuring your photoreceptors have plenty of raw materials to synthesize light-sensitive proteins. Their low glycemic index also means they provide a steady, slow release of energy, preventing blood sugar spikes that damage eye capillaries. Diabetic retinopathy is a major cause of blindness, making the blood sugar stabilizing properties of sweet potatoes incredibly valuable for your vision. Swapping regular potatoes for this brightly colored alternative is a simple dietary adjustment that yields massive physiological benefits for your aging eyes. Moving to number 9, we explore broccoli, a cruciferous marvel that offers unparalleled cellular detoxification and profound antioxidant protection for your retinas. Broccoli contains a unique and potent compound called sulforaphane, which acts as a master switch for your internal cellular antioxidant defense systems. This remarkable molecule actually teaches your eye cells how to build their own protective enzymes, creating a long-lasting shield against stress. Furthermore, broccoli is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, adding yet another layer of defense against the relentless bombardment of blue light screens. The vitamin C in broccoli also helps regenerate other oxidized antioxidants, ensuring that your ocular defense network remains fully operational and efficient. Irregular consumptions of this green vegetable has been scientifically linked to a dramatic reduction in the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Lightly steaming your broccoli preserves the delicate sulforaphane enzyme, ensuring that your eyes receive the maximum therapeutic benefit from every single bite. This powerful cruciferous vegetable acts like a microscopic cleaning crew, sweeping away cellular debris and keeping your entire visual pathway perfectly pristine. Finally, our 10th extraordinary food is the simple egg, a masterpiece of biological packaging that delivers perfectly balanced nutrition for your eyes. The brilliant golden yolk of an egg contains bioavailable forms of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are absorbed much better than plant sources. Because these pigments are dissolved in the natural fats of the yolk, your digestive system effortlessly transports them directly into your bloodstream. The eggs also provide a crucial nutrient called choline, which is absolutely essential for maintaining the structural integrity of the optic nerve pathways. Furthermore, the high-quality protein found in eggs supplies the specific amino acids required to repair damaged eye tissues while you sleep. Zinc, another mineral present in eggs, helps transport vitamin A from your liver directly to the retina to produce protective melanin pigment. This melanin acts as an internal sunblock, absorbing stray light and protecting the extremely sensitive photoreceptor cells from dangerous ultraviolet radiation exposure. Eating just 1 or 2 eggs daily provides a comprehensive nutritional foundation that supports every single aspect of your complex ocular system. Now that we have explored these 10 incredible foods, it is crucial to understand that they work best when combined into meals. A spinach salad topped with wild salmon, boiled eggs, and crunchy bell peppers creates a synergistic explosion of targeted ocular nutrition today. The healthy fats from the salmon and eggs will maximize the absorption of the fat-soluble lutein and zeaxanthin from the greens. By rotating these 10 superfoods throughout your week, you build an impenetrable biological fortress against the ravages of time and screen strain. Remember that vision loss is not an inevitable part of aging, but often a direct result of long-term cellular nutritional deficiencies. Your eyes are highly complex energetic organs that demand a constant daily supply of premium biological fuel to maintain their miraculous functions. Start incorporating these scientifically proven ingredients into your meals today, and you will protect your precious gift of sight for decades ahead. We hope this deep dive into ocular nutrition empowers you to make smarter dietary choices and prioritize the health of your eyes. Thank you for watching The People's Doctor, where science meets wellness, so please subscribe for more health insights and have a wonderful day.